a family treasure. The generation of Angeles City who have known only one represent parlor all their lives, and that is the Cool Spot. The first stand around was in 1945 and at the corner of San Nicolas and Rizal Street. And the woman who founded it with her sisters is none other than Imang Nena or Elena. Imang Nena, during her younger years, from then on, the Cool Spot store did even serve much better for the customers. Born to a mother, Felisa de Jesus, was born in 1875. And the father and his husband, my grandfather, is Graciano Natividad, 1872. With her 4 brothers and 4 sisters, the family was blessed with 2 engineers, such as Amado, a civil engineer, and Paulo, a chemical engineer. 2 veterans prisoner for World War II, Alfredo and Carlos. Ay, tantatang kuya pining Carlos. However, due to aging, Imang Nena retires. So then, her younger sister, Saturnina, took over the business, which was again another frequented place. The store was held under their old residence then. You will notice the water district, dropping there for halo-halo was already a social day. Years passed by and her sister Remedios, 93 years old, bought a lot just a stone throw near their nest residence to build a new vision of hope. And in March 5, 1983, a new Cool Spot inaugurated.
1983.
Siguro anak ko pa. Lakay po. Months passed. Due to many fast food competition like Jollibee, McDo, around the city, her biggest coup is in keeping her family involved in the business. So, one of her nephew, engineer Amado Natividad, together with his wife, that is the wife, an engineer too, Corazon, decided to improve the business by having a branch Cool Spot at Rizal Extension. Anyway, much have been known for Cool Spot by its slogan, for clean and pleasant snack drop at Cool Spot. Isn't that nice? How about reading the letter of Balikbayan?
Here's a... Meron po rin Facebook comment.
Facebook ka, abin ng Facebook na
Year
kanina.
2000, no?
Kanina po ay niya, mag-comment lang mga kanina. Alaya po like button kanina. Ay pa po may invento.
And the picture is of Mang Saturnina, the last one to hold this Cool Spot.
According to Dante from Facebook in year 2000.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us take your picture. Whenever I showed your picture to my fellow Kapampangans here in San Antonio, Texas, they were surprised when they learned that Cool Spot is still operating. Your palabok and halo-halo are still the best. Love, Dante.
Yan,
Very nice. Nice to hear. And I have more picture here.
Kita pong lumang balayan.
Yapin na yung Holy Angel College student.
Ano pong year yan?
Ako na balong year na rin. My sister, a teacher also when we were young. And my brother, a teacher too. And this one helped me to make siopaw. Reynaldo.
Ito pong recipe na siopaw, yan pong morning yan.
Muyad pin. Here is the blessing here with Father Ordonez.
Ano na kayang Brian Ordonez yun?
Siguro papa niya.
Shoutout kang Brian Ordonez.
Creative pixel. Wapin na, wapin.